Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 23rd of July 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.32%, settling the day at 40,415.44 while Nasdaq ended the session at 18,007.57, rising 1.58%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,726.81 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,679.55. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,537, indicating a flat to positive start for the Indian market. FII bought 3,444.06 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. India's economy has shown resilience amid a global slowdown, with the economic survey projecting a conservative growth outlook of 6.5 to 7% for FY25. While the survey calls upon the private sector to create jobs and boost investments, it also emphasizes the need for the government to let go or more deregulation. Now talking about global aspects, China's finance ministry said it would extend tariff exemptions for the import of some US products until February 28, 2025. The government posted an extended decline in land sales revenue in the first half of 2024. WTI dropped 35 cents to $79.78 a barrel while Brent fell 0.3% to settle at $82.40 per barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.01. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.24%, down. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices exhibited a roller coaster movement amidst short covering and profit booking ahead of the Union Budget. The market also reflected the impact of a spike in the volatility index, which reached a 6-week high of 15.6250. The Sensex and Nifty closed on a flat note at 80,502.08 and 24,509.25, respectively. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has shown resilience by regaining its buying momentum after Friday's decline and a gap-down start. Currently, the market sentiment appears favorable for buy-on-dips strategy. The first immediate support level is at 24,300. This level has previously acted as a significant support and could act as a cushion. On the upside, the index has immediate resistance at 24,800. A successful breakout above this zone could pave the way for a more bullish trend. Bank Nifty has been trading within a range, indicating the immediate support levels at 51,800 and 51,000. A break below these levels could signal further downside momentum and potential declines. On the upside, the resistance shows at 52,800. If the index breaks mentioned supports, consider strategies to short the index. Conversely, if Bank Nifty remains above these support levels and heavyweight stock results are positive, it could lead to a breakout from the current range. Stocks on radar are Mphasis, HAL, Indian Hotels, HDFC Bank, Persistent. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.